How to boot Windows in safe mode, how to enable or disable safe mode in Windows 10 or Windows 11. The first and easy option, we have to go to the startup menu. In the search area, you have to search for system configuration, and system configuration, you have to click on that, and here in the system configuration, click on the boot menu, and in the boot, if you see here safe boot, you have to check on that, and then click apply and hit OK, and then restart, and then make sure you press while it is restarting, keep pressing F4. Here you can see we are in safe mode. If you see closely here in the right corner, you are in safe mode. So also you can see here, now if you want to disable safe mode, you want to boot normally, again you have to come here and search for system configuration, click on that, and then go to the boot and just uncheck this one, click apply, and then hit OK, and it will restart. After restarting, you will be on the normal mode. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe Dr. Mobo YouTube channel.